Well, how often do you see somebody on their phone watching one reel after another? There's a good chance that that person may be on TikTok, but there's a big question in the U.S. right now. Will TikTok even be operational in our country come the end of January? As a reminder, in April, President Biden signed legislation that would force TikTok's parent company ByteDance to sell TikTok or face a ban in the United States as soon as January 19th. Lawmakers on Capitol Hill passed the legislation because of privacy and national security concerns, believing ByteDance is too close with the Chinese government, something that ByteDance has repeatedly said is exaggerated. With just weeks left before a ban is set to go into effect, TikTok is going to the courts, asking for the law to be blocked. Last Friday, TikTok, though, suffered a major defeat at the Court of Appeals in Washington, where a three-judge panel disagreed with attorneys for TikTok who believe a ban violates freedom of speech. The appeals court said it did not. TikTok lawyers aren't done yet, though. They have vowed to appeal to the United States Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court can sometimes take a while to act. And again, January 19th isn't that far off. As a result, TikTok went to a separate federal court on Monday to ask for an injunction to temporarily delay the law so that the Supreme Court has time to take up the case. And TikTok is also asking for a delay because of the incoming administration of President-elect Trump, who promised on the campaign trail to save TikTok. It's possible that an incoming Trump administration may have a different view than the Biden administration on enforcement. There is an economic side to this story as well. In court filings, TikTok has warned that if the app is allowed to be shut down, small businesses and content creators would lose over $1 billion in the first month alone. Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.